delighted to present Lewisham's local area partnership Special Educational Needs and Disability Strategy for the period up to 2023. It's really important that we recognise the ambitions and the aspirations of our children and young people, and we hear what they have to say and we help them with their journey to ensure they are getting those outcomes that they deserve. The strategy will help to improve the life outcomes for children and young people and their families with special educational needs.
What would I like to be when I grow up?
Good question.
I want to be an author.
Hairdressers.
I would like to be a shopkeeper. Go and be a vet. I want to save cats.
I want to be a dentist.
I would like to be a doctor.
As a local leader of health services, I'm really passionate about making sure that children and young people are supported and that they're enabled to live fulfilled lives. That includes working with them to make sure that their needs are really understood, and we work with them to make sure the services are really geared up to address those needs. One of the health priorities is taking forward mental health support and services for children and young people generally, and it's a key priority, I'm pleased to say, within this plan to make sure that those services are tailored and delivered for children with special education needs and disabilities.
When I'm older, I'd like to be driving Formula 1. A baker. My nanny's the best baker in the world. I want to be a policeman to keep the streets safe.
A bus driver, so I can drive and take people down to places where they have to go.
The thing we're most excited about is independent travel training, where we are helping young people to access the community and travel independently, something that in a lot of cases they and their families and their schools may have never thought was possible, and the results have been really, really positive.
I started independent travel training at the beginning of this year. Rosie was a brilliant instructor. She made me feel safe and helped me gain my confidence to walk to and from school independently.
I think I'll be able to get into college if I do really well.
I want to read PPE, also known as philosophy, politics and economics.
I'm an actor. Get some training lessons along the way.
College.
We need to make sure that this strategy and our vision really influences the whole of Lewisham in making sure that it's an inclusive borough for our children and young people with special educational needs.
We're passionate about our young people achieving their potential. The SEN strategy is essential to ensure that all the partners work together for our young people and their families, and that would include social care, health and education, all working in partnership to ensure that we get the very best outcomes for our young people and their families.
We've been working on the SEN strategy with the Children with Complex Needs team and also other agencies. It's been a great experience. We've all been working together on this, and it's a clear, concise document with good outcomes.
Our aim is always to ensure that children meet their full potential. So in order to do that, we will work alongside families and professionals.
Parents are now more involved, and hopefully it's a partnership that will carry on.
We've taken on our views, and that means a lot to parents and carers.
We think it really matters that those children and young people have someone who's their champion, who believes in them, who can help them ensure that their hopes and dreams are made real.
So one of the key drivers within the strands of the strategy is identifying who can help us deliver it and how we can make sure that we're working towards a really inclusive Lewisham. So that we can make sure that Lewisham is the most inclusive borough in London, the most inclusive borough in the country, and that all our children and young people with special educational needs do really well here, enjoy living here, enjoy learning here, and enjoy working here.
Hello people on the TV or your social media platform.
I'm 5. It is the first time that I've been filmed on like a professional looking camera like that.
I am in a rock band actually.
Yeah, I think that's it really. Yeah.
Oh.